The tune was not very good.
Oh, really?
Not a lot of dumb shit in it. Like the fuel pressures settings, factory they're set to 58, they're all turned down to 50. Like stupid shit. Like doesn't make much sense. A lot of shit in there. Yeah, whoever tuned it before does not have a lot of experience tuning LS stuff. I will say that.
Alright, guess.
369?
We're going that high?
No.
You said I was
369.
I said 350.
I'll say 369.
Intake, headers,
I think
mine.
mine made 390 with a cam. Just a cam. Or no, 390 with just headers. I think.
No.
380
Because you said you were like 430 with cam, fast, intake, header. Yeah, so no.
440.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Haven't done a GTO in a while.
It's been a long time.
So we didn't baseline this when it came in because the clutch was toast. We did a clutch and headers with cats, and that's it. Already had an intake, stock mufflers.
That's it. Just a short system header too, so it goes to the center connection deal.
Right. Yeah, Matt had a little bit of a difficulty with it because the age of the car and every bolt was kind of rusted, so
It happens.
it does happen.
You can't always work on
New stuff.
48-mile cars.
No, seriously.
I mean, we generally do, but you can't always do it.
So Eric and I had a little, not wager, but a little guess of what this would do. And it's already exceeded my guess.
Yeah, your guess was not very good.
My guesses are better than yours. I win every time we guess.
Nah, that's because I give you my first guess, and you base your guess off of my expertise.
No.
Yeah.
I go off of my personal experience of what
Yeah,
I
well,
see
you ain't got any of that.
Look at that air fuel line.
It's fucking as straight as me.
Well, it's not a very good analogy. But it is straight.
Pretty good.
It's straighter than you.
Straight as a straight edge.
So what's the story on this car there, Matt?
It looks like, I mean, either the pressure plate failed and caused the slave cylinder to come apart, or the slave cylinder came apart and destroyed the pressure plate.
Gotcha.
So it's pretty bad. So
Obviously needs a new clutch.
yeah, so I'm doing a new clutch, but right now I'm kind of worried when the slave came apart, it did tear up the input shaft of the torque tube pretty good. So I want to get this out.
And we already kind of wire wheeled this down and made sure everything was good, but you can see it has
a little square file.
It has some grooves in it, and really hard to tell, but
I could just file it down a little bit, but
it's very, very faint.
But yeah, see.
Oh, yeah. I would want to replace that.
Yeah, so that's what I think. We're probably just gonna have to replace it.
Yeah, we could always do that. Yeah.
We'll do all that.
Slave cylinder trashed this thing when it came apart.
Slave cylinder came apart?
Yeah.
What clutch was in this thing?
RPS.
Oh. That we did whenever we built this thing, like
6 years
a
ago.
long time ago.
That was an estimation, I don't really know.
It
Before
was,
my
it was
time.
a long time ago.
Before
yeah.
my time.
The hub won't even slide over, so I figure if I could get it cleaned up and get it, you know, sliding on and off fine. Yeah, I would just get a new one, Bill, because I have to follow this thing all day, but
Yeah. But then you also don't know how far the splines are worn down.
Yeah.
it's like hitting a wall.
Sure is.
You can see it right where the spot is.
Yeah.
Right, yep, right there.
So.
Yeah, it didn't, when you thought
We should look at the couplers and shit in here anyway,
took
too.
the bell housing out, fell out of it, so.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, we should look at the couplers and stuff.
The whole RPS, I haven't seen one in a minute.
Which one is it?
BC2, I think.
DC, the twin light.
Oh, metal right there.
oh, I sees it.
Oh, you see it? Look, his line's still lined up. That's good.
That is good.
What?
I mean, I'd be a little worried
Paint
if
marks still lined up. That's good.
I mean, if it didn't, there'd be a serious problem.
what's this, just bolt on, man?
Yeah, headers intake and like Flowmaster catback or something. I have a feeling it's going to pick up a decent amount, judging by the looks of the data log on the base. I said I have a feeling it's going to pick up a lot, judging by the data log on the base run. I guess we'll find out here in about a minute.
It's
A couple minutes once I make the tune, but
baseline was a little lean too.
yeah, it was a little lean. 13.4.
Yeah.
Not enough to back out of it, but
Not enough I would want to all the time.
yeah, no.
So that's what happens a lot of times. People just do headers, exhaust, intake, and don't do a tune.
Yeah. Whoever tuned this before was slightly an idiot.
Oh, someone already did tune it?
Oh yeah, it's been tuned, no doubt.
Sweet.
I don't know by who, but
Well, let's see how much you can pick up over there too.
I'm about to find out.
Hurry up!
I'm gonna say at least 20.
Think so?
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, I hope. If not, I suck.
Well, you suck anyways, but
I'll suck more if I don't pick up that.
fair enough. You already picked up like 30.
What'd I tell you?
I'm not patting you. I'm not patting you back. There you go. There you go. I was waiting for you to say something like the funny thing about my back is.
It's located on my cock. YouTube movie.
We've done that reference before.
Yep, sure have.
Join the shifter.
This thing is like fucking flimpy dick.
Is that in gear?
Yeah, that's in third.
Oh, yeah.
It has to be loose or something.
Yeah.
There's no way the shifter can be like that.
Well,
like at first I was like neutral, I'm like, it still feels like shit. But then I put it in gear and it's literally no different. So I think the shifter is loose. It has to be.
I'm sure he knows if it's his part.
It has to be loose. Yeah, but the thing is he's going to be driving one day and a handle's going to fall off.
Yeah.
Like I almost want to pop the thing out and see if it's loose and just tighten it. It's pretty bad.
Hi.
Alright. Alright, so you got the new one on?
Yep. Yeah, so as you guys saw, the input shaft got pretty tore up when the slave cylinder came apart. So went ahead and replaced that. New bearing, flip. It's already go back together. He's already upgraded to aluminum couplers.
So those were in before.
Yeah, they were there, so
Everything else looks good.
good. Throw this thing back together.
Yeah.
Perfect. Back it against.
Alright, let's do this.
All right.
So this is the Camaro we just did all the suspension mods to and the catch cam.
Yep.
BMR stuff.
Now,
We didn't do this car originally, though.
no,
I've never seen it.
the tune was not very good.
Oh, really?
Not a lot of dumb shit. Like the fuel pressures settings, factory they're set to 58. They're all turned down to 50. Like stupid shit. Like doesn't make much sense. A lot of shit in there.
It's got a 4 system on it, too.
Yeah, whoever tuned it before does not have a lot of experience tuning LS stuff. I will say that. I don't know who it was though.
I know the customer, I guess, wanted to pull it down, make a little bit more power, but I think...
How much boost did it make?
Almost 8.
Yeah, oh, okay.
But that wasn't even a full 4. I don't think.
No, it wasn't. I backed out of it.
He said it makes close to 9, which I believe.
I believe that.
Which we would want to go more on a stock bottom end LS3.
Not without meth
Yeah,
or
I was just
nothing.
gonna say.
Straight pump. I mean, you probably could, but you could keep it at the same boost and do a bunch of other things that would make more power and be more beneficial than a pulley.
Right. So I already know what you guys are gonna say. Oh, well, it didn't pick up that much because he didn't make a full pull. You're correct. He let out here because it was a little lean, fuel pressure, that sort of thing. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you the differences mid-graph. So even down low, it was at 485 to 554, 267, 308. Like, it picked up huge everywhere. 80 horsepower, almost 100 mid-graph. So this is baseline to final. So we're not going to compare peak here to peak here, but it picked up everywhere. 496 to 590, so big increase in power.